Septic systems can last a long time if they're protected and treated well. And this goes for all septic systems, not just barn home ones. So let's look at some great ways you can keep your septic system healthy. First, help the drainage field evaporate water. Plant the right thing on top of it. This is my septic field here. It's under a hayfield with no trees above it, and I won't plant any trees on top of it in the future. Grass is an excellent cover on a septic field because it helps remove soil moisture, and grass roots are shallow and not invasive. The next thing you can do is protect it from the outside. Keep root invaders out. When mine was first installed, the septic inspection report said I needed to remove all maples and hydrophilic trees from the field edge. Hydrophilic just means water-loving. So we can protect it by keeping far-spreading roots of these water-loving trees from invading the rich, moist soil in the drain field, clogging the drain lines, and then finding their way to the tank. I plan to cut down all trees within 100 feet of the end of my last drain line. Too much? Well, I've previously dug up a failed septic field. It's gross and I don't ever want to do it again. The next way to keep our septic system healthy is protect it from the inside. What you put into the system yourself. That means don't put any more in it than needs to go in. Rather than having my washing machine push all the wastewater straight into the port the plumber installed behind the washing machine, I run the washer's drain hose into the utility sink beside it and have a strainer bag zip tied over the end to catch lint. This lint doesn't need to go into your system. The amount you see here is just after 1 week of using the washing machine with a new blue lint catcher. In the kitchen and bathroom, I have strainers to catch extra food or hair. After cooking, I'm not washing fats down the sink either. Fat will just float in your tank and take up space. I'll take the time to scrape out the fat to use in a fire outside or just throw it in the trash. The septic system doesn't want anything more than human waste. I also don't use things that could kill bacteria in the tank, such as bleach in the washing machine or antibacterial soap. It's better to do a little preventive care and not have problems than to have serious problems later and expensive regrets.